Hello, Tech Finance followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will be conducting a technical analysis of apM coin, also known as apM coin. After analyzing apM coin, we will continue the video with a weekly analysis of Bitcoin. First, let's take a look at our chart. We can see that there has been a downtrend. However, the price has temporarily risen above this downtrend but quickly dropped back below it. This failure to sustain above the trendline is viewed as a negative scenario. In recent days, we've observed that the $0.00499 level has not been breached, so we have identified this level as a strong support zone. We certainly do not want to see this level broken, but if it is breached, our first support zone below will be at $0.00410. As long as these breakouts don't occur, the possibility of the price breaking the downtrend increases. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, we see that a few days before the breakout, the price remained in a horizontal trend, and eventually, an upward breakout occurred. We view this as a positive sign. Even if there is a decline in recent days, we consider the day of the upward breakout as a positive development. Currently, the price is trading above the moving averages. If the moving averages are breached to the downside, we can anticipate further price declines. Now, let's continue with our analysis of the indicators. First, let's look at the Fisher indicator. It has created a downward breakout at approximately 1.10, giving us a sell signal. Since there hasn't been a breakout very far from the zero level, we interpret this breakout as a slight sell signal, suggesting that there could still be a possibility of an upward breakout in the near future. However, if there is no upward breakout, we should note that the price could continue to decline. Looking at the RSI indicator, it rapidly rose to around 70 but has now dropped swiftly below the 50 level. This decline is generally viewed as negative. If the price continues to drop towards the 30 level, we can anticipate further price declines. In summary, for us to see the end of the decline and the beginning of a price rise, it's essential for the downtrend to be broken. The moving averages should not be breached to the downside, and the indicators are currently giving sell signals. Please remember that the information provided in this video is our personal opinion and does not constitute investment advice. In this video, we conducted a technical analysis of apM coin and shared our insights. Now, let's continue with our weekly Bitcoin analysis. Keep watching. Certainly, now we continue with the Bitcoin technical analysis in the video. First, let's take a look at the support and resistance zones on our chart. At the upper end, we have a resistance zone at $29,180, and at the lower end, there's a support zone at $25,217. As long as these levels are not breached, we may continue to see price fluctuations. Now, before we move on to our own analysis, let's continue with moving averages and indicators. Firstly, looking at the moving averages, the price is trading above the 8, 20, and 50-day moving averages, which is a positive sign. Furthermore, the fact that they are trading just below the 200-day moving average suggests that a breakthrough might be on the horizon. It's essential to keep in mind that the price won't necessarily surge immediately upon breaking the 200-day moving average. Hence, setting stop-loss levels is crucial. Caution is advised with each buy order. After these observations, let's now take a look at the indicators. Firstly, we'll examine the Fisher indicator. The Fisher indicator is currently at approximately -1.30, indicating a buy signal. However, it's crucial to note that it's exhibiting a sideways movement, so caution is advised. Relying solely on the Fisher indicator for buy-sell decisions can be risky. The price will continue in the current direction as long as there's no significant move in the opposite direction. Fisher indicator values above 0 or below -2 are considered strong signals. Now, let's check the RSI indicator. The RSI value is currently around 60.40, and if it falls below this level, we might witness further price declines. On the contrary, if the price continues to move above this level, we could expect upward price movements. However, it's important to note that technical analysis has its complexities, including indicator divergences, which I won't go into detail here. But as I mentioned, these rules might not always apply. Now, let's look at the Bollinger Bands. The price is currently trading above the middle band, suggesting that it could continue to rise as long as it stays above this level. Continuing with Fibonacci levels, we draw a Fibonacci retracement from $31,804.20 to $24,901. The price is currently above the 0.382 Fibonacci level, and as long as it stays above this level, it could continue to rise. Our sequential targets here are $28,352, $29,167, and $30,326. Now, let's analyze the 4-hour time frame. The price has broken above most of the moving averages, which is a positive sign. It has also reacted positively to the 0.382 Fibonacci level, which suggests a potential rise to around $28,352, corresponding to the 0.5 Fibonacci level. If the price does not break below the first support level at $27,538, it could continue to rise. Additionally, if this level holds, we might see a channel pattern where the price continues in the direction it breaks out, so keep that in mind. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, the Fisher indicator is showing a potential downward breakout, which could be interpreted as a mild sell signal. However, if there's no breakout and the price continues to rise, we could see further upward movements. Similarly, on the 4-hour RSI, the value is around 56.83, and it has consistently been above this level for the past 2 weeks. As long as it remains above this level, the price could continue to rise. Now, let's move on to the daily time frame. The price has recently broken above a descending trend that lasted for approximately 80 days, which is considered a positive signal. There's also an upward trend forming below, and as long as the price remains above this level, it could continue to rise. With the favorable moving average setup, a breakout of the 200-day moving average could lead to significant gains. Based on this analysis, we might expect a rise to $29,180. In this video, we conducted a technical analysis of Bondcoin and Bitcoin and shared our insights. However, please note that the information provided in this video is not investment advice. These are personal opinions, and trading based on them can result in significant losses. Always perform your research and consider your risk tolerance. The content of this video does not constitute investment advice, and it's for informational purposes only. If you liked the video, you can hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.